Now, let's have a look into the PIC. And this is part one of part five. PIC is the Public Investments Corporation. It is a state owned investment management company, right? It's one of the state owned company, right? But this focuses on investments. Now, this is the largest asset manager in Africa and also one of the biggest asset manager from emerging countries in general. Really big. Who is the main clients? Government employees pension funds contribute 80%, 88%, constitute 88% of PIC money, right? GEPF, right? And unemployment insurance fund, UIF, compensation fund, and many other government related funds. So government employment funds, when they collect money on a monthly basis, they're giving it to PIC. Then they keep that money, right? And those ones that are retired, they also take money from PIC. But PIC, to beat inflation, they have to invest that money. Now, the total assets under management for PIC is, which is AUM, is more than 3 trillion, way more than 3 trillion now. This money has been growing from probably 2019. It was like 1 point something. Now it's more than 3 trillion total money under management. And the returns from PIC is literally above the economic growth. Sometimes 2%, sometimes less than that, sometimes just above that. But because they are managing a lot of money, which is most of the time controlled to be invested locally, they've got few options. PIC alone control 10% of the JSE stock market, which means they control 10% of the 20 trillion market value of JSE, invested in more than 178 countries, right? So more than 178 countries they have PIC man on JSE. Out of 333 companies that are listed, more than half of them, PIC is invested in. All the major banks, retail, insurance, name it, PIC is invested. I mean, they have limited options, so they have to focus with investing in the country. And also remember, government use it to push transformation. Government use PIC to invest in certain particular project, and sometimes they have a lot of failed projects that they do invest in unlisted companies. So recently they've been trying to put more of their funds in listed companies. Now, portfolio breakdown: listed equities constitute the largest amount of PIC portfolio. More than 45% of the PIC money that it manages, it is in listed equities. Followed by bonds, SA bonds, constitute more than 30% of the money that they manage. You see, so more than 30%. But when people are saying government has got debt, government got 300 whatever 300 billion interest they are paying, some of that money is going back to PIC. They buy again from government, so it's just back and forth of money. In unlisted business, approximately about 5%. They've been reducing this take. Property companies 2 to 5%. They also own property. PIC owns certain properties as well by themselves. Offshore assets about 5 to 10%. They've been increasing these offshore assets. This is based on 2025 and years before. We are waiting for their new report that will be released in the upcoming months. But for now, this is part one of part five, whereby we'll be looking into PIC and really give you a full update. Thank you.